Welcome back students to learn again. Today we are going to learn transitive and intransitive verbs. So without any delay, let's proceed. A verb is categorized into transitive and intransitive verb based on the object. Now what is meant by object? An object can be a person or thing which receives the action of the subject. In other words, we can say that the action is transferred from the subject to the object. For example, she is writing a letter. In this sentence, the subject is she. And what about the action? The action is writing. Now this action of writing is being transferred by the subject on the letter. In other words, the letter is receiving the action. Hence, a letter in sentence is an object. Let us see another example. Rahul is eating an apple. In this sentence, Rahul is the subject or the doer of the action. The verb is eating. So, the action of eating is being done by the subject Rahul on an apple. So, here he transfers his action of eating on an apple. And an apple is receiving the action. Hence, an apple is the object of the verb eating. Well, there are two types of objects: direct object and indirect object. And the easiest way to identify these objects is asking question to the verb by what and to whom or whom. Let us see how do we identify direct and indirect object. We can identify direct object by asking what, and indirect object by asking to whom or whom. For example, Mahesh gave him a pen. In this sentence, we have both objects. If I ask question by using what, like Mahesh gave what, so do we get answer? Yes, we get answer, and that is a pen. Therefore, a pen is a direct object. Secondly, if we ask question by using to whom or whom, like Mahesh gave to whom, and the answer is him. Therefore, him is the indirect object in this sentence. Let us take another example. DJ tells me stories at night. So let us ask questions. DJ tells what? And the answer is stories. Therefore, stories is a direct object. The second question is DJ tells to whom? And the answer is me. Hence, me is the indirect object in this sentence. Well, I hope you understood object of the verb properly. Now let us learn transitive verb first. A transitive verb is a verb which needs object to complete the meaning of the sentence or to have sense to the sentence. Now look at the example. Do you know I made? Now think about this sentence. Do you think that the sentence is having complete meaning and sense? Definitely not. It doesn't have complete meaning. Here, the verb made needs an object to complete the meaning. Now, if we add some words which would receive the action, and we will have a complete meaning to the sentence. Let us try it. a video. Now let us read the sentence again. Do you know I made a video? Yes, now it is meaningful sentence. And if we ask I made what? We get answer a video. Now it is confirmed that a video is the object of the verb made. So what we learned here? We learned that the verb which needs object to complete meaning of the sentence is called as transitive verb. In the above sentence, made is a transitive verb. Now let us see intransitive verb. An intransitive verb is a verb which doesn't need object to complete the meaning of the sentence. Let us know better by example. He cried yesterday. Now think again. Does this sentence have meaning and sense? Yes, of course. This is a meaningful sentence. The verb cried doesn't need object to complete the meaning of the sentence. The verb does not have any object in this sentence. Let us check by asking what or whom. He cried what? Here we do not get any answer. If we ask he cried to whom, still there isn't any answer. But the sentence is meaningful. Hence, the verb cried is intransitive verb. Let us have the other example. The dogs bark at night. Now think, does this sentence have meaning? Yes, it has. Now let us try questions. If we ask the dog barks what? We do not get any answer. If we ask the dogs bark to whom? Still we do not get any answer. Therefore, bark is intransitive verb. So students, hope you understood transitive and intransitive verb and how to identify them. So we'll stop here. The rest of the things we'll see in the next video. Till then, have a nice time.